Welcome back to Instant Learner guys. Today we are going to discuss about turbocharger, which is a widely used part of an engine to increase the efficiency. So in this video we will learn how a turbocharger works with the help of animations, and at the end we will take a look at advantages of using turbocharger. So let's start. A turbocharger is a device that is fitted to a vehicle's engine that is designed to improve the overall efficiency and increase performance. This is the reason why many auto manufacturers are choosing to turbocharge their vehicles. So how does an entire turbocharged engine work? First, the cylinder is filled with a mixture of air and fuel. When the preset compression ratio is reached, the mixture ignites, expands and causes the piston to move downward by rotating the crankshaft. The exhaust gases are then forced out the cylinder by a piston, and then exhaust gases are moved toward the turbine. The particle of gases act upon the blades of turbine wheel, causing it to rotate. The turbine and compressor wheels are mounted on a single shaft. When the turbine wheel rotates, the compressor wheel also rotates, forcing air into the engine cylinder. The exhaust gases have a very high temperature. They heat up the turbine, and from it, heat is transferred to the compressor. In addition, as air is compressed, it is also heats up. When previously heated air expands, thus what happened is that the compressor compresses the air, but at the same time the previously heated air is heated again due to rise in pressure, so the air is expanded again. For this reason, air exiting from the compressor outlet need to be cooled. An intercooler is used for this purpose. An intercooler is a type of heat exchanger. In a turbocharged engine there are two types of intercooler which are widely used. The first one is air to air and the second one is air to water. The manufacturing and operation of a turbocharger is costly. When a turbine is used, the back pressure in exhaust line increases, but the benefits of additional power from using a turbocharger can be much more significant than the associated cost. Turbocharging is most effective in high power engines, but recently it has been also been used in low power engines to make them lower in the cost and environment friendly. So now we will take a look at the advantages of turbocharger. In addition to the extra power, turbochargers are sometimes referred to as devices that offer free power, because unlike superchargers, it does not require engine power to drive it. The hot and expanding gases coming out from the engine are what power a turbocharger, so there is no drain of engine's power. Turbocharged engines are also not affected in the same way as naturally aspirated engines are when they go at higher altitude. The higher altitude is a naturally aspirated engine climb, the harder it becomes to get oxygen due to the thinning atmosphere. A turbocharger gets around this problem because it forces the oxygen into the engine combustion chamber, sometimes at 2 times the pressure of atmosphere. Turbochargers also improve the fuel efficiency of a vehicle. However, there is a misconception when it comes to turbocharged vehicle and fuel efficiency. Taking a natural aspirated engine and slapping on a turbocharger on it will not improve the fuel efficiency. The way that manufacturers improve fuel efficiency through turbocharging is by downsizing an engine and then turbocharging it. For today, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. With tons of love to my Instant Learner family and to be Instant Learner family. This is me, Engineer Bilal. You are watching Instant Learner. We'll see you in next video. Goodbye.